This is a Keychron Accessory store package. Let's get it open. There's a whole bunch of stuff. I'll leave link for it all in the description. Okay, first and foremost, Keychron Deskmat. They have a bunch of these. I picked the absolute coolest one. This thing's sick. Ooh, look at that. That's already fancy. It's got like a little, I can already tell that they just did something extra in here because it's Keychron. But once you see what's inside, you're like, all right, that kind of deserved to be in that bag. Immediately throws it on the ground. Okay. Is it cool? I haven't seen it yet. I opened it towards the camera. Is it sick? You'll let me know in the comments, right? All right, appreciate it. Ooh, hold on, I gotta look at this. Like actually. Dude, that is so freaking sick. Oh, new main mouse pad. I don't care if it's green. That's so cool. What we got to talk about? It's got a nice stitched edge all the way around. Pretty soft. Not gonna rub on your wrist. It's also got some grip on the bottom. I don't think that's going anywhere. I'm just teeter-tottering the desk, if anything. So that's pretty cool. I like this thing. I mean, if I didn't like it, then you won't see it in my hand cam videos in the future. But if I did like it, then I guess that you'll have no choice but to see this again. So on to the next thing. What's next? You guys pick. Tell me which one. Oh, this one? Okay, I'll pick it. All right. Novelties. Keychron. No! How am I supposed to open it? I ripped it. All right, what have we got? It's the UFO keycap. Let's go. It's the first thing. Yes, look at it. Oh my God. This is the whole reason I wanted to do this video. I saw the UFO keycap and I was like, must have. I must have this. This is slick. It's a fidget spinner. It spins. Look, it's spinning still. It has a really good bearing on it. It's a fidget keycap and it's got little alien language on it. It's still spinning. Oh, it just goes. Oh yeah, that's so cool. Should I put it on a keyboard? Be honest, smash like, subscribe if I should put it on a Keychron right now. Keychron K4. You guys haven't seen this keyboard much because Keychron literally gave it to me for free because of the K2HE video. It's cute, I like it. I like the wood panel. Let's go ahead and throw a keycap on it. Oh yes, oh yes. She's on there, baby. Look at her go. That is so ridiculous. I love that. All right, UFO keycap complete. On to the next one. Time to pick it. Which one should we get? Ooh, what is this? Oh, M6 carrying case. It's actually a good idea because all the there's always portable keyboards, but then it's like, but where mouse? I need mouse. But you don't want to carry around a mouse and shove it into your backpack because then the buttons would all click down and then it would get all dusty. So then that's when you get a little carrying case. Well, clearly the case was designed for the M6. I have the M7. The M6 is somewhere stored away. I can't find it. But this also fits in here. It's not quite as perfect. You could tell it's like specifically cut out and designed only for the M6, but all we have right now is the M7. And it still fits in there. It's not too bad. It fits in there. It doesn't look great, but it still fits. Gets the job done. Closes. Zips. And now you have a mobile M7. But then it also comes with like a little thingy for your cord. And then another little accessory thing, maybe for like your dongle or whatever. And it's hard. So I don't think anything's gonna happen to it. Time to move on. It's another keycap. It's pretty cool. It's a Daruma doll metal artisan keycap by Keychron. Oh, unboxing. Let me just take it out. Look at it. Isn't that cool? And it says luck on the bottom. I guess Daruma dolls, they represent a couple of different things and one of them is luck, so I got the luck one. Time to put it on the Keychron. This is my favorite thing. I love putting on keycaps. I never have enough keycaps, man. Ooh, that's clean. I really like that one. Oh yeah. That's nice. Look at that. Huh? We're making some real progress here. Mouse carrying case, check. Mousepad, check. 2 sick keycaps, check. On to the next one. Let's do a big one. I want a big one. Keyboard carrying case. Who need portable keyboard? Turn any keyboard into portable keyboard with keyboard carrying case. What is this keyboard carrying case for? Keychron carrying case for the K2HE, the best keyboard ever. The wooden keyboard. Oh yeah, dude. If anybody ever wants to punch your keyboard, you'll be safe. That's pretty nice. It's like diamond plated. It's diamond plated with real diamonds. For legal reasons, it's not true. Hey, look at that, dude. It's got like its own custom little cutout for it. Or you could just take it out and put like a bigger one in there if you really want. If you're desperate and you lost your K2, but you still have the carrying case. And then it's got like a little, you know, a little channel for your cable and whatever else you need, like your dongle and stuff right up there. That's cool. That's cool. All right, let's get the K2. It's on the desk, not on the wall. My bad. Here it is. Would you look at that? Keychron K2HE, Keychron K4HE, Keychron, 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 and Keychron. And 2 keycap Keychron keycaps. He must really like Keychron or something. Yeah, they're pretty cool. Look at the perfect fit. It's snug. You had to snug it in. Look at that. This is a real life scenario, baby. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you just need to be on the go. Gotta stick your cable in there, man. You know, sometimes you need to put that in there. Boom. And then the dongle's already plugged right into it too. I don't know why you'd want to use a white cord for a K2HE that has, you know, not a white color scheme, but some people just have cooler sense of style than others. What can I say? And now, I'm out of here for my business trip. See you later. Other CEOs, what's up? All right, we got 3 things left, I think. Let's do a small one, shall we? What is this? Oh, I remember this one. Yellow duck. It's a duck. It's a little duck. That's so cool, man. It's made of resin. It's an Artisan. Ooh. He's encased. He's in prison forever. Arrested. He's a prisoner. That's so cute. I love this one. It's my favorite. UFO could never. Not as cute as little ducky. I'm putting him on immediately. On. He's going on. Oh yeah, I'm getting good at this. This is all the practice I needed. Ultimate tech reviewer. Dog hair ingrained into every fiber of my DNA. Boom. Boom, boom, bibbidi boop pop. He's cute. Look at him. You little nugget. This whole video gave me serotonin. Thanks, Keychron. 2 more things. We got 1 more keycap and 1 more mystery item. It's time for the mystery item. It's not a mystery anymore. It's a coiled cable. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Every cool keyboard guy, every cool keyboard Chad always has a crazy coiled Aviator cable. It's so cool. That's like #1 flex in the keyboard community. You didn't know that? Look at it. Look. That's like the coolest keyboard cord that has ever existed. #1 keyboard cord on the planet. Look at that. It's gonna get glitter on my desk. That's so cool. It's like a freaking XLR cable. Look at this thing. Look at that. It literally almost is. Like who needs this? Who needs this? I do. That's who. I do. Keyboards. You know what's great about keyboards is that here's the thing. All this stuff, way cheaper than a keyboard. You get Keychron keycaps and put it on like any cheap $1 keyboard that you want if you feel like it. Although, you know, Keychron does have some cheaper options, but. So it comes with like this one coil, and then this part plugs into your keyboard, and then this connects to the other side right here. And it screws together, kind of like an XLR connection, sort of, but a little more fancy. This reminds me of like stuff from the Navy, dude. Like this is like the old like 80s style connections for stuff. They used to care. They used to care. Now you have to get it from the accessory store. And then your adapter in case you don't have a Type-C at the other end. Okay, we got last thing, best item in the store. I don't know who invented this item. I just want to have a chat. I don't know who made this, but it's so cool. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of the whole evil eye thing. There's a thing that people believe in. It's called the evil eye. And it originally, I think, originated from people with blue eyes and how they were all supposedly witches or something. I don't know. But yeah, so they always used to wear like talismans with like a blue eye so that if somebody tried to give them like the evil eye, it'd be reflected back at them. So they have that in their store. It's an evil eye keycap. And you already know I got the blue one. It's not just blue eyes. There's other evil eye colors too, but I got the blue one. Whoa, what? Ah! Yeah, it's moving around in there. What the look at it. It was like following me. Is it moving? I can't tell. I was not expecting the eye to move around in there. What a cool little detail. Let's do it. I think it goes this way. Ew, stop looking at me. Skirt. Out of there. Yeah, boy. Keychron Accessory Store. Just admit it, you agree. It's bussin'. It's great. It's the best thing you've ever seen in your life. You can get all this stuff for real cheap, cheaper than the cost of a normal keyboard. You want to make your Keychron keyboard or your whatever keyboard look cool. You want some cool accessories. You want a case for some of your stuff, man. Keychron got you covered. They got all kinds of crazy stuff. They got really cool keycaps. Some of these keycaps, there's a lot of work into them. A lot of cool innovation. They let people like whoever is in charge of Keychron CEO. Hey, how's it going? Good job. I'm so glad that you let your employees like actually like make cool stuff. It's sick. What other keyboard company would make a mouse pad like this? This thing is freaking sick. If you like the video, smash like, subscribe, check out these in description, get Rubber Ducky Keycap, and I'll see you in the next Keychron video. Bye bye. Thanks, Keychron. Subscribe.